Demystifying intelligence. What makes us smart? Intelligence, a concept often debated and discussed, lies at the heart of human capability. It's the driving force behind our ability to learn, solve problems, adapt to new situations, and make complex decisions. But what exactly is intelligence, and how do we measure this elusive quality? Intelligence isn't a single monolithic entity. Rather, it's a multifaceted tapestry of cognitive abilities. It encompasses various aspects, including logical reasoning, spatial awareness, linguistic proficiency, and emotional understanding. Just as a symphony orchestra relies on the harmonious interplay of different instruments, our intelligence is a symphony of interconnected cognitive functions. Psychologists and neuroscientists use standardized tests, such as IQ tests, to quantify different aspects of intelligence. These tests assess abilities like verbal comprehension, perceptual reasoning, working memory, and processing speed. However, it's crucial to remember that IQ tests, while valuable tools, provide only a limited snapshot of an individual's cognitive potential. Beyond the traditional view of intelligence, researchers have identified multiple intelligences, recognizing that people excel in different areas. Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences, for example, proposes distinct types such as linguistic, logical, mathematical, spatial, bodily, kinesthetic, musical, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalistic intelligence. Recognizing your strengths in these diverse areas can unlock your true cognitive potential.
Just as a powerful engine requires premium fuel to perform at its best, our brains rely on a steady supply of nutrients to function optimally. Our dietary choices play a crucial role in shaping our cognitive abilities, influencing everything from memory and focus to mood and mental clarity. The food we consume provides the building blocks for neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that facilitate communication between brain cells. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support optimal brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are particularly important for maintaining cognitive function and protecting against age-related decline.
In addition to a brain-boosting diet, regular physical exercise is paramount for sharpening cognitive skills. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, delivering a surge of oxygen and nutrients. It also stimulates the growth of new brain cells, particularly in the hippocampus, a region crucial for learning and memory.
Learning is the bedrock of intelligence, the process by which we acquire new knowledge, skills, and understanding. It's a continuous journey of exploration and discovery, one that can enrich our lives and empower us to reach our full potential. Fortunately, a wealth of effective learning techniques can accelerate our journey and enhance our ability to absorb and retain information. One such technique is speed reading, a valuable skill that allows us to process text more rapidly while maintaining comprehension. By eliminating bad habits like subvocalization, or mentally pronouncing each word, and rereading the same line multiple times, we can significantly boost our reading speed and efficiency. Memorization techniques provide powerful tools for remembering vast amounts of information. Mnemonics, such as acronyms, rhymes, and visualization techniques, leverage our brain's natural tendency to remember patterns and associations, making it easier to recall facts, lists, and concepts. Learning a new language opens up a world of opportunities, fostering cross-cultural understanding and enhancing cognitive flexibility. Immersion techniques, where you surround yourself with the target language, are highly effective. Start by incorporating simple phrases into your daily routine, gradually increasing your exposure to the language through music, movies, and conversations.
Section 4. Mental gymnastics, tools and resources for cognitive enhancement. Just as athletes utilize specialized equipment to enhance their performance, a plethora of tools and resources can help us train our brains and unlock our cognitive potential. These range from brain training apps and games to insightful books and comprehensive courses. Brain training apps have surged in popularity, offering a gamified approach to cognitive enhancement. Lumosity, Elevate and Peak are just a few examples of apps that provide engaging exercises designed to challenge memory, attention, processing speed, and other cognitive skills. Numerous books delve into the science of intelligence and offer practical strategies for enhancing cognitive function. Thinking, Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman explores the two systems of thinking that govern our decisions, while Moonwalking with Einstein by Joshua Foer provides an entertaining and insightful journey into the world of memory champions. Online learning platforms like Coursera, EDX and Udemy offer a vast library of courses on topics ranging from neuroscience and psychology to memory enhancement and speed reading. These courses provide structured learning experiences led by experts in their respective fields.
Section 5. The restorative power of sleep and meditation. In our fast-paced, always-on world, sleep is often neglected, viewed as a luxury rather than the essential pillar of health and cognitive function it truly is. During sleep, our brains engage in vital housekeeping tasks, consolidating memories, clearing out metabolic waste, and preparing for the day ahead. Chronic sleep deprivation, on the other hand, impairs cognitive function, hindering our ability to focus, learn, and make sound decisions. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your brain the time it needs to recharge and rejuvenate. Meditation, an ancient practice gaining increasing recognition in modern science, offers a powerful pathway to enhance cognitive function and promote mental well-being. Mindfulness meditation, in particular, involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment, cultivating a sense of awareness and acceptance. Regular meditation practice has been shown to improve attention span, reduce stress and anxiety, and even promote structural changes in the brain, increasing gray matter density in areas associated with learning and memory.
Section 6. Breaking down barriers, eliminating harmful habits. Just as certain habits can enhance our cognitive abilities, others can sabotage our mental sharpness, acting as roadblocks on our journey to intellectual growth. Identifying and eliminating these harmful habits is crucial for creating an environment where our brains can thrive. Substance abuse, including excessive alcohol consumption and drug use, can have devastating effects on brain health. These substances interfere with neurotransmitter function, disrupt brain circuitry, and increase the risk of cognitive decline and neurological disorders. Chronic stress, often an unavoidable part of modern life, can wreak havoc on our cognitive abilities. When we experience stress, our bodies release cortisol, a hormone that, in small doses, helps us cope with challenges. However, prolonged exposure to high cortisol levels can impair memory, shrink the hippocampus, and increase the risk of mood disorders.
Section 7. The journey to cognitive excellence. A lifelong pursuit. Becoming smarter isn't about reaching a fixed destination. It's an ongoing journey of continuous learning, self-improvement, and exploration. It's about embracing curiosity, challenging our assumptions, and nurturing a growth mindset. The belief that our abilities are not fixed, but can be developed through dedication and effort. Remember that intelligence is multifaceted, encompassing a wide range of cognitive skills and talents. Identify your strengths, nurture your passions, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and explore new areas of knowledge. The path to cognitive excellence is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and embrace the journey. The pursuit of knowledge and the expansion of our cognitive horizons is an endeavor worthy of our time, effort, and unwavering enthusiasm.